Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make some quick and easy burger tacos. So if you want to learn how I make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by making our burger sauce. So to the blender cup, add your half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 jalapeño along with its juice, a small piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, half a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and chile tepin. Now we're just going to be blending into smooth. Alright, so once we have it, taste it for salt and so you need to adjust it. Now we're just going to refrigerate until it's time to use it. Alright guys, so here I already have divided my ground beef into 3-ounce meatballs. I'm just going to be seasoning with some Montreal seasoning, but of course you can always just use salt and black pepper. I'm just going to season the top, and once we smash them, we season the other side. Once we have that, now we can get ready to take it to the stove. Alright guys, so here I already have my comal nice and hot. I have it set over medium-high heat. Going to grab our meatball, place it, seasoning face down, and we're just going to begin to smash it down where it's nice and flat. Okay, after 2 minutes, flip it over to the other side. And allow that side to cook for another 1 or 2 minutes. Now here I'm just going to move my meat to the other side so I can begin to heat up my tortilla. I'm using flour, just allow that side to cook. And then at this point, I'm just going to place my cheese over my meat. The cooked side of the tortilla, I'm going to place it over. Get the patty and just flip it over. Just going to allow that side to cook. So just remove it from the heat, so we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and once we have our burger tacos, we can now get ready for the fun part, and that's topping them. So I'm going to begin by adding my sauce, adding some grilled onions, some lettuce, some more sauce. You add as much as you want. Topping it with some tomatoes, some pickles, or you can use jalapeños, just like that. We can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. And let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These burger tacos are seriously super easy to make. They're so delicious. They're perfect, you know, when your kids come home from school and you just don't know what to make them. This right here is honestly a favorite. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. The sauce, it's just a cherry on top. They're so good. It's so delicious. And you can always top them with your favorite toppings, but this right here, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious burger tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.